Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you web and image scripting in Python. So let's start. Firstly, we import our models. You need two models. One is request and the other one is BeautifulSoup model. Okay, if you don't have it, you must install them. Windows key plus R, open console, and then pipe install BS4, and also pipe install request model. Okay, I already have it. Go on then. URL. This is the web address. I came across with a wallpaper site which is called wallheaven.cc. Let's choose landscape, ratio, resolution, just this resolution I choose, then refresh the page. Okay, they are all good pictures as you see, and right click on the page, inspect element. Here, look, this list tags contain images. I click on it, figure tag, as you can see, figure tag and data wallpaper ID, blah blah. Let's click on the image and again with image info. Here is the full address of the image. Can you see this one and this one is the same? This is the image ID. If I get all of the image IDs, I can download them. So page 3 and yes, this is with page parameters. I copy it. So response, requests, get URL. Response.text and HTML parser is a constant parameter. Okay, this line gets the full page and this one is parsing the HTML. Images, find all. Here we get all the figure tags. This one, figure tags, all the figure tags, because they contain images. Let's print this and run it. All the figure text is here in the page. And for I in images. Now I will get all the IDs. This one, data wallpaper ID. Let's check it. We get into a list. Let's run it. Okay, good. This is what I want. I don't need this. Now we can download images. Again, request method. I need this address. When you look this here in the others, this is the first two characters of the image ID. Here I parse it plus image ID and first two characters, and then here I will parse plus image ID. Okay, good. If r dot status code 200, this one is for if this download process is successful, it returns 200. Now next one is file processing. We must write the downloaded image into a file. Open a file, wallpaper, plus image ID as a file name I want to give. And file extension. And W and B. This one is for W for write, B for binary. We open file writable and as binary. But firstly, we make a folder named wallpaper, because of this. And then here r.content. This is the image content. And then we are closing the file. Okay. That's it. And look what's happening. I open the folder. Look at that. They are coming one by one. I think this is done. Yes. If you write this code into a for loop and you give this a variable, then you can download thousands of images. This one is for just page 3. You can just write this as a page variable. I mean 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 100. Thousands of images you can download. First we get all of the page source and then parse it. We get image IDs and download the images. I hope you like this video. Bye.